Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing of paint by number that I bought on Amazon during the big deal sale. But before we do the unboxing, please hit the like, subscribe, and comment below if you like this video. I have a playlist of different crafts. You can check them out to see what interested you, and there is tutorial for example, for beaded cross stitch and for paper towel. You are welcome to request any special project that you might want to do, that you might want to see being making on the video. So without further ado, let's open it. But like always, most of these companies on Amazon, they have these things folded, and Amazon, instead of putting the sticker on the back so we can get this information, here is what is supposed to be along with a chart of colors, so I won't be able to know how many colors are the first instance this one has. I picked this one up because it's colorful and it's the ocean. Let's open it up. Let's see. You know that the canvas is going to be folded. Okay, here we got the brushes, which I'm gonna take them out of here. Here is the brushes. Comes with the standard kit, the standard brushes, and the hardware for the canvas. You can paint your canvas like this, but if you like a regular painter, like you want to do, like I have a whole bunch of them, you just buy a good set of brushes, okay? Ergonomic ones. And this one has 24 colors. And look how colorful this palette it is. I like it. Colors of the oceans, of the coral area. This is very beautiful. Colors of the fish. You know. This is I like this purple. Take a look at this purple. Okay. So that's the color of that. The canvas is soft. It's like a linen. Oh, great. It comes with the chart, which is very good. And the charts tells you the numbers over here. And it has a lot of small, elongated cells, so a liner, like, let me show you. A liner like this. It would be good for those spots. Okay. That would be good for those spots. Doesn't tell me the size unless it's in the canvas. Let's check the canvas. No, it tells me the canvas number. That's about it. It's not a color canvas, but the numbers are clear and the lines. And if you can see, there's a lot of elongated, I call it from top to down, liner. Also, you can do it with the one horizontally. These are vertically. Look at the fish. The fish is going to have a lot of detail, this fish. The canvas is soft. So this one is pretty. Let's see if I can find the size in the box. I doubt it. They cover everything. I think it's a 16 by 20. I don't have my cell phone with me because I'm charging it. Otherwise, I will check it out after I do the video. When I'm editing, I'll check it out and then I post the size in the description box, okay? Too bad that they screwed this over. Amazon. I'm trying to find whether this is a 16 by 20. Let me see if I have a... I think I do have a measuring tape somewhere around here. Yep. I got one. By the way, I'm done with the autumn river and boat. Expect a video any day. But I still have to check it out, you know, fix any errors. And then I have to seal it. Okay. Remember, let's see the canvas. Yes. 56 centimeters. Okay. Okay, the canvas has some fold, so it probably is gonna miss by, you know, it's supposed to be a 40 by 50. Yeah, just a little bit off. But it's because this is 50, so that means that the canvas inside is 16 by 20. Yeah, and this is 40. Missing by a smidgen, but it's folded over here. If I stretch it, yep, it's 40. So this is a 40 by 50. It's a 16 by 20. The canvas itself, okay? The inside, the frame, the inside of the frame is 16 by 20. Oops. So this is gonna be pretty. A lot of big spaces, okay? And a lot of elongated also over here. Cells. Elongated means that they're long, you know, and they like I said, the liner is the best one to use for this. Okay, so folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I like this color palette. Very colorful. It's a very colorful. Let me fix this. Here it is. here is this beautiful color palette, 24 colors. Okay. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment below. Again, don't forget to kiss your fur baby. And don't forget to check the end cards for other videos related to paint by numbers, whether it's an unboxing or a finished video. Thank you again. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.